So let's say you want to put the quote of your theme or your theme, and you have this slide. First of all, start with a blank slide. Change the layout. The easiest is to go to blank. Once you change your layout to blank, you want to insert your picture or your photograph on the slide, not on the background. So you go to insert photo, picture from file. That's one way. Or you can always click here on the image, insert picture from file. I'm going to go to my file. I have the photo I want to insert on my desktop. It's Mujeres Mexico. So let's say you import this. Like we learned in class, this we don't like. It doesn't say anything. It's in the middle of the page and it doesn't have an impact. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make this big, big, big. You move it up and you slide it open. Maybe we have the woman inside the slide. Maybe we have her outside. If we have it like that, we can always check to see, you see here, how much of the background we're going to see. You can have it like that and use it and it looks nice. Let's change to the viewer. Whoops. It will not work that way because my viewing surface is bigger, but it just looks good. Now, let's say you want to use the background here to put your quote. This is too busy. So one thing you can do is crop out the woman, remove the background. So you click on remove background. It's in 2007, 2013, 2010. And whoops, now we see that the woman is, anything that's purple is going to be removed. So let's make the area a little bit bigger. The selection square. There we go. But still we have all this area. Surround the foreground, blah, blah, blah. Draw lines. You can read that if you want. But what you have to do, you see that my cursor has a plus sign inside a green circle. That means that these are the areas that I want to keep, basically. That was wrong, so let's do a Z minus. So I want to keep her here. If you go from one to the other, you let go. You see how all of a sudden you click and drag. Whoops, no, I just moved the picture. You need the green ball, click and drag. And here, let's click and drag a little bit. And over here, her hair, click and drag. We want to see all that. Now, areas we don't want. When you move the cursor, you will get a red ball. In 2007, if you have Microsoft Office, PowerPoint 2007, you will have those options over here. There will be a big button over here that will say add, subtract, and a check mark that says, yes, this is how I want it. So here what you do is you kind of click over there because we don't want any of her background. And I click over here, but we still want her. Over here too, we can click over there if we have to be in there. I don't want that white thing there. I really don't want that white there either. So even if I get rid of her hair, I don't want white. If you can't see it, you can always move the slider, make it bigger so you can pinpoint what you're going to get rid of. Again, here I need to click because I want her shoulder. Actually, that was a mistake, I guess. Okay, there we have that. We move up. And yep, this is good. Here you can say, no, I don't want that little part, or here. You don't have to do this minutia. Let's go and make it smaller. As you can see, we can see some of the background or not. When you are done, you click again, remove background. Voila, the background is removed. Let's say you go to, not to format picture, but to themes.